In this video, I will explain whether it is possible to create a Hinge account without a phone number and what you need to know before trying. Many people look for a way to sign up without sharing their number because they care about privacy or do not want their number linked to dating apps. The truth is that Hinge currently requires a phone number during the sign-up process, and there is no official option to skip it. You cannot create an account using only an email address, and the app will always ask for number verification. Some people try using fake numbers or online temporary numbers, but this usually does not work for long. In most cases, the verification code never arrives or the account gets locked after a short time. Even if you somehow finish the sign-up, the system may later detect unusual activity and remove the account without warning. Hinge uses phone numbers to reduce spam scams and fake profiles, and that is why this requirement is strict. To avoid problems and losing access, the safest and most reliable choice is to use a real phone number that belongs to you. So the clear answer is no, creating a Hinge account without a phone number is not possible in a safe and stable way. Before you leave, it is important to protect your privacy while browsing and using apps online. I recommend NordVPN because it helps keep your connection private and secure, and you can try NordVPN at a great price using the link in the description.